All right, everybody. Thank you so very much for tuning into TV5 Mana TV once again. This is Vani with you to welcome you all to a beautiful fantasy world called Maya. Why I call it fantasy? Because Maya ante Maya. Now, Maya, ye Maya chesindo meek cheppalante mundu meek teliyali nenu ye Maya gurinchi maatladutunnanu. Avuna? Okay. So, Maya ante the movie Maya that recently hit the Netflix, and what happened? It actually revolutionized everything about movies in terms of the entire social media was flooded with praise, and it was all only and only for Maya. And when I say Maya, you would also think, okay, she must be the leading lady that I'm talking about. But what is really, really exciting about this whole story is that not just the leading lady, every single department of this movie got attention in such a big way that it is really, really, really getting so much of adulation and praise and compliments, and everybody is wanting to watch that film. Now, how did this Maya happen? Now, we don't know. We guys just like to watch it, have fun, and we're done with it. But I thought I wanted to know more because these are people that are debuting in this movie, okay? All of them. I would think almost all of them, if I am not wrong, okay? The director, the leading lady, the protagonist, the antagonist, everybody in the film, music. I think the music was, this guy did a little bit of music before, but otherwise, everybody. Story, okay? The story, everything was a debut, and it can do this kind of a magic. Unbelievable. But the very first thing I want to do before I introduce, now, first let me introduce you to all my favorite stars sitting right here on the screen next to me, which is amazing. I would have loved it to do it in a studio, but this is fine too. Guys, first of all, congratulations. It is
Thank you so much. Good seeing you.
fabulous what you guys have done. So we have right here the heart of Maya, that is Radhika Jayanti, the director of this movie, debuting and did a fabulous job. And then we have this beautiful lady, all pretty, sitting up on the right side of me. And this lady, well, I think everybody knew that she's going to be a heroine right when she was born. With her looks, with her talent, with her attitude. Oh my God, she has it all. And she was born with it looking like this. So, hey, this is Sandhya Baireddy for all of you friends. But for us, she's Sandy. Mwah! Love you, darling. And what a pleasure to see you on the screen. And honestly, I've got lots to say, but I would just say you did a brilliant job for now, all right? Because I do not want this gentleman sitting between these two lovely ladies to think that, where am I? Wow, these girls are bragging about themselves. So, yes, this guy, Abhishek Sabit, looking super rugged and handsome, and you know, he had it all. He could show the romance, and he could also show that you know, the rugged man look. Perfect for the film, okay? And most importantly, for me, this is a joy because Virginia has been part of my hometown for 20 years. Every weekend I spent in Virginia, and all of you guys from there, I've known you for so long. Every home, every road, every car, you know, it was like, oh my goodness. So fantastic. Fabulous. So this was all something I had to do first because I couldn't have waited for you guys to speak and then talk about my excitement. I thought, let me just get off with it and then I'll let you all speak, okay? So we thought we would like to celebrate, you know, what you guys achieved and what an absolute joy and pride it is for everybody involved. So how about we pick up our glasses? Sandy, why don't you go ahead and open the, okay, you will do the honors. Abhi, please do. Awesome, awesome. So let's just, woo! Congratulations and celebrations.
We weren't expecting that.
I think I didn't get the fist, but
yeah. Celebration one,
celebration, right. Awesome. That's what
not enough to just take it away from here, though.
Absolutely, Sandy. And look, I've got pink bubbly too. So I think we're all good, right?
And of course, it's a non-alcoholic.
Mine too, non-alcoholic. So let's go.
Thanks
Cheers,
for having us.
guys.
Thank you, guys. Cheers.
Cheers. Congratulations and cheers to many, many, many more successes in life. All right. So to this, we take a sip. Yummy. All right. So now let's get talking. So I thought, you know what? I want to start off with Radhika. Radhika, you know what? I said just now that the director is the heart of the film. Not that every movie, I'm not talking about every movie. I'm just talking about this movie. I just felt that, okay, the seed, the womb of the story is somebody else, and I'll get to those guys later on. I just wanted to talk to you guys today. But so I thought you put in the heart. I felt the heart of the movie was you, how you got to navigate us through the characters, through the scenarios, through the emotions. So all this, I thought, is the heart. So that's why I thought I'll start with you. Okay. So Radhika, biggest question nakemundo telusa ante actors ante vallu chinnappa nunchi like Sandy laga untaru masti chestu want to be on the stage, want to be in front of camera, ivanni chestu untaru heroలు హీరోయిన్లు అవ్వడానికి డైరెక్టర్లు అవ్వడానికి ఎలా ఉంటుంది వాళ్ళు ఎలా పెరిగితే what brings out that thing in them? I have no clue, and I thought maybe the best person to ask would be you.
Oh, that's a tricky question though, because being in the shoes of director and wanted to become a director is, of course, let me tell you honestly, from my childhood, I never thought that I would become a director, first of all, but I have the visualization where I can see something. Say for example, if someone narrates a story, or say, if I see something on the screen, I always used to have the praise, okay, or like, we have to do something. And lucky enough, even my son, Karthik Jayanti, who has brought this plot, he is more interested into this filmmaking and all. And he initially, of course, he has daily lot of thoughts too. He initially brought the plot into, and he told me, okay, can we do something with this plot? And from there, the journey started. So initially when we pulled Sandy immediately. As soon as we heard the plot from him, then I thought, okay, let's materialize it something. But let's do something on it. Then I was not, basically, I did not want to direct this, honestly. I'm not part of, I wanted to act in this.
Can you believe that?
I can. I think Sandy directors can act because they tell you how to do what to do. Right? So I think they should know. Yeah. Wow. Interesting.
Yeah, so during that time, and myself and the music director Praneeth and Karthik, we three, one day I called Sandy, and when the story is narrated, I thought the particular, the character should do the justification for the, basically the role. So immediately I got Sandy in mind, and I pulled her, we all sat together one day. and we narrated the story to her. During that time, we thought another director, but due to certain circumstances, we couldn't make it off. Then I had it back in my mind that I wanted to write.
That's what I want to get.
అంటే నేను ఒక డైరెక్షన్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ లో ఉందాము ఎందువల్ల అని చెప్పి అనిపిస్తూ ఉన్నా కానీ బట్ ఐ నెవర్ డేర్ టు డూ దట్. కానీ ఎప్పుడైతే నాకు అంటే దాన్ని నేను అంటే ఎప్పుడైతే అదర్ డైరెక్టర్ అవ్వలేదు అది ఆపర్చునిటీగా తీసుకుని ఐ జంప్ ఇన్ ఇమీడియట్లీ. సో నేను డైరెక్టర్
ఫ్యాబ్యులస్.
యా అండ్ ఫ్రమ్ దేర్ మై జర్నీ స్టార్టెడ్ విత్ దిస్ మాయా. అంటే డైరెక్షన్ లో కానీ మాయాతో కానీ అప్పటి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది. నేను ఇమీడియట్ గా ద ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ వాట్ ఐ థాట్ ఇస్ ఓకే నాకు కొంచెం ఐడియా ఉంది ఎలా చేస్తారు ఏంటి, బట్ ఐ నెవర్ బీన్ ఆన్ సెట్స్ హానెస్ట్లీ స్పీకింగ్. ఐ వాజ్ బట్ ఐ నెవర్ బీన్ ఆన్ రియల్ సెట్స్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అసలు ఏంటి అని తెలియదు.
కరెక్ట్.
Then I pursue a direction course, online course basically, from the Hollywood director Gil Beckman. So through him I got some knowledge on direction, what to do, how to take the shots and all. Adi kuda Maya start ayin tarvate. Okay, appudu then I got some confidence, let me do this, let me pursue this, and with the help of all the team members, my son especially, I should give credit to him because he has been being the backbone of me, and Sandy being and she trusted me so much. She never ever asked me a single question. Since the day I thought okay, let me do the direction, and that's how the journey started. And every one of even B, he did not ask me a single question, okay, can she even do something? And Rohini, and we pulled Rohini onto the board. She's one of the producer, and we have Vijay. She's another. They are another producers. Yeah, with the help of this entire beautiful team, today I'm enjoying. We all are enjoying the success of Maya.
Of course,
of course. A boy called Preetu, who is also into VFX editing. Yeah, అంటే మీరు అన్నట్టు ఇందాక చెప్పారు కదా, ఈచ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ హ్యాస్ డన్ దేర్ రోల్స్ అండ్ నౌ వీఆర్ ఎంజాయింగ్. అండ్ చెప్పాలి అంటే దట్ ఈస్ హౌ మై డైరెక్టర్ డెబ్యూ హ్యాస్ స్టార్టెడ్.
వావ్, యు నో వాట్, ద హోల్ థింగ్ ఇస్ దట్ అందరూ అనేస్తున్నారు చాలా బాగా డైరెక్ట్ చేశారు అని చెప్పి, కానీ నాకు అది విన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఒక్కటే నేను ఆలోచిస్తున్నాను, దట్ సంబడి హు డిడ్ నాట్ డూ ఇట్ ఎవర్ ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది అంటే ఇది కూడా ఒక న్యాచురల్ ఇన్బోర్న్ టాలెంట్ అని నాకు ఇప్పటిదాకా తెలీదు. ఐ ఆల్వేస్ థాట్ డైరెక్షన్ ఇస్ సంథింగ్ ఎల్స్, యునో. సో అలా న్యాచురల్ గా చేసేస్తారా అనుకునేదాన్ని, బట్ నౌ వెన్ యు సే ఇట్, I think it makes sense. You know what? I think everybody in their own lives direct things, various things, right? So we all know that there is a direction and there's a path. Like for example, Sandy has a dance classes and stuff, and I know she choreographs and directs the whole thing, how it should be looking. Direction is that. Wow. You know what? Sometimes it takes an interview to get you to, enlighten yourself.
Yeah, same. Sandy also,
exactly.
I've been seeing her since last couple of years. కానీ ఎప్పుడైతే నేను ఎప్పుడు అంటూ ఉండేదాన్ని, లైక్ ఐ బీన్ గెటింగ్ ఆల్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్, ఎప్పుడు అంటూ ఉండేదాన్ని వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ సంథింగ్ అని. యా, తనకి నేను చూస్తూ ఉంటాను, ఐ మీన్ షీ కెన్ డూ సంథింగ్ యాక్షన్ వైజ్ అని చెప్పి నాకు అనిపిస్తూ ఉండేది అనమాట.
She's a dancer, model. She's a dancer, she's a model, she's on stage, she's in front of the camera, and like I said, I always felt that she was born to be this, and finally she's found her calling. You know, I think you started it for her, you gave her the platform, and from here she'll take it off. So okay, so wow, Jayanti, I have so much more to talk, but how about we talk to Sandy a little before we go to Sabe? Is that okay?
All right.
You know, we'll keep the best to the last. What says? Give me a. Okay, so Sandy. Okay, so she's always been a friend and I have been a fan of her. I think since the time I met her, there's something about her, her style, her class, her talent in terms of these fashion shows that she had put up. I mean, amazing. I have been somebody who did that right from school. I don't know if you did that too, but I did it from school. I would love doing fashion shows and organizing them, directing them and stuff. But what I saw you doing really, really blew my mind. Every single time I saw what you did, what you came up with. I mean, brilliant. It takes a lot of talent. It takes a lot of style. It takes, a lot of things to be able to put something like that together. And besides just looking like a diva wearing whatever you're wearing, it is something. Okay. So you have done things like that. You've been a dancer forever. You have your dance classes too.
Yeah.
Right. So with all this, I never think or would think that you would, acting wouldn't come naturally to you. So would I be right if I said that?
I don't know.
You tell me.
So, I mean, your question was, I missed your last statement.
All I'm saying is that doing all these other things that you do, dancing and, directing people to do modeling, etc. Okay, you actually conceive and you bring out those shows up there on the shows. So there's a lot of acting involved in it. The attitude, the facial expressions, everything, all that is acting in a way, right? So, so I thought, do you think acting is just natural to you?
Okay. So you meant natural. Okay, I missed that one part. Okay. Okay. So, in generally, if a task was given to you, you have to just beat it off. That's it. Okay. Someone believed in you and gave you a task, you have to do it because it's their belief on you. And also, if you believe that you can do it, no matter what it is, and when it comes to choreography and all of that, I used to always have an imagination. A song winna, a story winna. I used to imagine a lot on how it can be portrayed, how it can be, directed, choreographed, and all of that. That's like a chinnapadi nunchi undi. Eda kotta song yana release aithe, naaku nenu kottaga ఊహించేసుకుంటాను ఆ సాంగ్ ఎలా ప్రొజెక్ట్ చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది అని. Sometimes I get disappointed watching it in the films. I'm like, okay, my imagination was better. So, college is slow. Organizations, the choreography, and now I'm like, okay, this is my chance. I'm there. Now it's all mine. They left it to me. Acting vishayaniki koste, also I believe the same thing. ఏంటి అంటే అది అందులో యాక్ట్ చేసినట్టు అనిపించద్దు and we all believe the same thing. Remember we used to discuss acting అంటే నువ్వు డ్రామా ఆర్టిస్ట్ కాదు, స్టేజ్ ఎక్కి డ్రామా ప్లే లో చేయడం కాదు. just be yourself. నువ్వు అయితే if you are Maya, if you are Rahul, నువ్వు అయితే ఈ సీన్ ని ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్ ని ఎట్లా హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తావు? అలా చేసేయవు కదా, న్యాచురల్ గా ఎలా ఉండాలో అలాగే ఎమోట్ చేస్తావు. So I thought it really helped not just me, the entire team actually to pull this off, because we were to believe that, okay, she used to just inject it into our brains and okay, Maya ante ila undali. Maya ammayi strong character. Maya ane ammayi second chances ivadu. So ilanti clue ista unnappudu your brain is automatically tuned in.
Correct.
Automatically when the camera is on, you know how to behave. I think it's not just with me, with everyone, it's the same case. Because we are all smart enough, we all are in the script, we are involved in the script. No pre-production chesi script lo involve అయిపోయి automatic గా అందరికి అది natural గా వచ్చేసిందేమో అని నా ఫీలింగ్ మరి. Right? Yeah.
They live their roles. ఆ స్క్రిప్ట్ లో అంటే మేము జర్నీ చేస్తున్న ప్రీ ప్రొడక్షన్ లో కానీ లేకపోతే రిహార్సల్స్ లో కానీ వాళ్ళు నిజంగా కూడా అందులో ఉండగలిగితేనే ఆన్ సెట్ ఆ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ రాగలదు. basically.
I mean, for that, it takes a good team also. It needs a perfect combination of the team. Everybody is so cooperative. If I need something, if I ask Abhi, he will give me some inputs. Or of course, Radha and Karthik are always there, 100%. But in general, team and Indukant, we were always helpful for one another. Allah, friendly atmosphere, we were like, we felt like home. Felt like home, like family, and come on, this is our team. What can we do to rock this team?
True.
And I don't think every other team will be this way, Telsa.
Enduku telsa? Andarlo neelaga ilan spirit undadu. Right? Okay, and another very big thing from whatever you've been saying till now, I think the credit all goes to Radha for being able to show you so clearly what Maya is.
Yeah,
the way you have explained each and everything, it is, showing the arrow towards who would have made you see it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right?
See, that is what
you are capable of becoming anything because you have that art within you. But somebody had to show you exactly what she wanted. And I think that's a huge thing, right? That is a huge thing. A director should be able to explain and let you know exactly what they are looking for. So, you know what? Ippudu ee maatal vintunte, I felt another thing. Sandy, nuvu nee personality unchukunnavu in the role that you played, you still were you, the way I know you, right? Emi akkada kottaga ila nunchodam first time ano ala andam, it was not there. So you were still you, okay? But you were somebody else. And at that time, I was not seriously thinking of you as Sandy. You know what I mean?
That is the toughest part, Telsa.
Chala
custom. You have to carry a personality of you, but be someone you're not. Being somebody else's skin. Adi, Amma, I'm glad somebody actually said it.
I saw it. I felt it. I appreciated it.
Compliment, actually.
It is, sweetheart. Are you kidding me? Of course, it's a compliment. A very big one at that. And it's all, again, very clearly how each one of you took away things from each other to be able to look like you're all in the same thread. Right. Ala kanpinchadam
oka character ippudu entante Sandy, we know her, manandariki telusu how Sandy or villandaru ela untaru కాకపోతే నాకు ఎట్లా అనిపించదు, ఓకే జనాలు తిట్టుకోకూడదు కదా నన్ను, అక్కడ కనిపించాల్సింది మాయా శాండీ కాదు. ఓకే ఎలా ఉన్నా లేదు, అది అలా కనిపిస్తేనే చాలా బాగుంటుంది అని, అంటే మేము ముందు నుంచి మేము అలాగే మాట్లాడుకుంటూ ఉండేవాళ్ళం. బట్ ఒకసారి మాయాన్ని కూడా పిలిచేస్తూ ఉంటారు, ఒకసారి రాహుల్ అని పిలుస్తూ ఉంటారు.
Yes, amazing. Now it's time to come to poor Rahul. All right, you must be thinking, Rahul and Shah Rukh Khan pair petteru naku kaani ee ammalu evvaru naku attention ivataledu, no good. But anyway, again, Abhi is somebody I knew for so many years, and what can I say? I have been very, 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 very pleasantly surprised seeing you on the screen and what you did. I mean, you were fantabulous.
That's
fantabulous. Yela telsa enti evardo Mahesh Babu lant vallu dialogues kuda కాదు, నేను ఒక్కడే చాలు, ఇంకొక మగాడు అవసరం లేదు, ఐ కెన్ హోల్డ్ దిస్ అన్నట్టు నేనేం చెప్పను. Big hug to you. Really,
I wish you could see me blush right now.
Nana, I was thrilled and surprised. I never thought, okay, ante anni sal chusanu, kabul cheppanu, did everything, but I never thought that was there in you. Ippudu Sandy ante telusu, Chala ఎప్పటి నుంచో ఫ్యాన్ అండ్ రాధాది స్టోరీ టెల్లింగ్ చూసేస్తే అర్థం అయిపోయింది that she's just gonna take things somewhere else అని నిన్ను చూసి I was like wow okay I think Nijanga, you got a fabulous future out there for you because you're such a natural.
Oh, man. Thank you. Thank you.
Bleep, bleep, bleep. నేనేదో అందం అనుకున్నా కానీ bleep, bleep, bleep.
No, that means a lot. Thank you.
I mean it from the bottom of my heart. Okay. And I can tell you that you are a fabulous actor. You had that presence. Okay. You had the aura of being, actually, I thought the antagonist aura was so much more brighter and shined than your protagonist aura.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I'll be honest, right? So yeah, everybody has a different aura, what they can really shine on, and I think yours is that. And yeah, chakkaga romance inkonchu ba cheskuntavu, enjoy chesukovalsindi kada anukuna. You got an opportunity on a platter, all right, to romance, but okay, it was okay. It was okay, but I don't know, maybe because it's the first time or whatever, but you have a fantastic aura. You made your presence felt.
Thank you.
You made your... ఇప్పుడేంటి అందరూ షై అయిపోతున్నారా ఏమా మూవీలో చేసి రాధిక వాట్ డు యు సే మూవీలో ఇదంతా చేసేసాక మాకేమనిపిస్తే మేము అది చెప్పాలి అంతేనా అంతేనా చేస్తున్నప్పుడు చేసేసి ఇప్పుడు షై అంటే yeah, so anyway, so I thought you had a fabulous presence. I think you really are an actor.
Oh, thank you.
I don't know if you knew it already or not. I don't know because I've never seen you in action anywhere. You know what I mean? So I think that's the thing because we've not really seen you in action.
No,
so
yeah, I think, like, for example, like the dual personality of the role. నేను Gemini కదా సో
naturally
ఇలా ఉండాలి అప్పుడప్పుడు అలా ఉండాలి సో అందుకే నా క్యారెక్టర్ కూడా న్యాచురల్ గా నాకు I got the confidence to be able to do it.
He was excited to be Rahul.
Yeah, నా పర్సనాలిటీ బాగా మ్యాచ్ అయింది.
I'm sure.
ఏమనుకుంటారు
కాదు ఫస్ట్ మూవీలోనే బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఛాన్స్ కొట్టేశాడు ఇద్దరే అమ్మాయిలు అండ్ what Kani, anyway, I just think that you definitely are going to be an actor. But you tell me, did you ever want to be an actor?
Yeah, definitely. Chinnappudu nunchi cinema chusi yeah, I've always wanted to be an actor since I was a kid. Seriously.
Did anybody know?
Sorry?
Did anybody know at home?
Yeah, they definitely did. Lakpota encouragement ఉండదు కదా వచ్చింది opportunity try చేయని encouragement ఉండదు. So
wow.
So ఎప్పుడైనా pursue చేస్తాను ఆ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంది సినిమాలు అంటే పిచ్చి యాక్టింగ్ అంటే స్పెసిఫికల్లీ బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తాను అని. So yeah, when Sandy and Radha came to me, they said, hey, you know, we have an opportunity, we're making a film, we think you'd be a good fit for the character. చేస్తావా అని అడిగారు. Yeah, tapunda try chestannanu. I was very excited, very thankful for the opportunity. Sure.
Is this your very first gig in terms of acting?
Yeah, the very first gig. I never even attempted acting before. And yeah, chala practice chesam stage kochi mundu almost months and months of practice chesthe gaani aa confidence raladu on set. So practice matram chesthe anta ochindi. So practice cheyapothe raadu.
Shall we? Why are we not drinking?
We just poured some more.
You have no clue what we've been doing here.
We just poured a first glass.
Okay, so let's
enjoy.
Yeah.
Amma?
We miss you here.
Yeah.
Wish we were all together. I know, right?
I would have loved that too.
Yeah.
You know, I can't tell you how much. And I've been waiting for this little chat with you guys for so long now, since the day I watched the movie. So since then, okay. So we talked about your characters, your roles, what you did, etc., etc. Now let's hear about what are the future plans? I mean, after doing what you did, right? So, Radhika, looks like you are all set to become a professional director.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
What do you say? What do you say?
I'm blessed.
Yeah, absolutely. So do you have the plans that you want to become a professional director?
Oh, yeah. Now I'm more interested in becoming a more professional director. Inka, I want to pursue a lot of things in direction only. Yeah.
There you go. So what ideas are coming into your head? What do you want to do? What do you think it takes to get there?
Once the Maya got released, I'm getting different. I mean, a lot of people are approaching me, the first thing. And also, we do have a couple of stories. I mean, again, my son, he has a lot of stories. And of course, they are all exciting. All we need to see is which one will be materialized. అదొకటి చూసుకోవాలి అండ్ అంటే పీపుల్ అప్రోచ్ అవుతున్నారు సో చూడాలి అంటే ఇక్కడ ఉంటాం మనం హ్యావ్ ఆల్ ద వర్కింగ్ 5 days ఎలా ఏది మెటీరియలైజ్ అవుతుంది ఏంటి అనేది చూసుకుని యా డెఫినెట్లీ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు కమ్ అప్ విత్ అనదర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఫర్ ష్యూర్.
Radhika, were you surprised at the result of what you saw, what you did?
I love this question though.
ఓకే నేను వాళ్ళకి బేసిక్లీ టీమ్ అందరూ అంటే ఓకే
I know.
ప్రీమియర్ అంటూ ఉండేవారు అనమాట కానీ టు మై
ఏమనేవారు
ప్రీమియర్ షో వేద్దాం బిఫోర్ మూవీ ప్రీమియర్ సో టీమ్ అందరూ కూడా అనమాట ఇంక్లూడింగ్ కానీ నేనేమన్నానంటే లెట్ సెలబ్రేట్ సక్సెస్ పార్టీ గైస్ అని అప్పుడు చెప్తూ ఉండేదాన్ని ఎప్పుడు ప్రీమియర్ చేద్దాము అన్నప్పుడు సక్సెస్ పార్టీ చేద్దాము మేబీ బ్యాక్ ఇన్ మై మైండ్ నాకు డెఫినెట్ గా తెలుసు దిస్ ఇస్ ఎ గుడ్ టీమ్ బీయింగ్ ఎ గుడ్ టీమ్ అండ్ విజువల్స్ అవన్నీ ఐ మీన్ వన్స్ ఐ సీ ద అంటే వాళ్ళలో ఆ ప్యాషన్ చూసినప్పుడు ఆ డెడికేషన్ చూసినప్పుడు ఆబ్వియస్లీ యాజ్ అ డైరెక్టర్ అంటే ఆ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ లెవెల్ డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంది.
కరెక్ట్
అండ్ ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ థ్యాంక్ యూ అంటే ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు ఇక్కడ చాలా మంది సపోర్ట్ చేశారు అండ్ మీరు ఫస్ట్ చెప్పిన సోషల్ మీడియా అంతా కూడా వాళ్ళ లవ్ వాళ్ళ సపోర్ట్ అంటే ఇక్కడ మూవీ తీసిన తర్వాత వాళ్ళందరూ వాళ్ళు చెప్తూ రివ్యూస్ ఇది బాగుంది అంటే దట్ ఈస్ movie
very novel. It hasn't happened in my 20 years in US. I have not seen this happen. No, yeah. Tell me, guys, even you guys will vouch for it, right? We've all lived here for about 20 years at least, right? And there's so many people who tried different gigs. I have my own friends who made movies. I mean, people have passion, of course, you know. So they have tried and
మూవీ లవర్స్ నాన్ లవర్స్ కూడా నాకు కాల్స్ చేసి బాగా తీసాము బాగా చేశారు వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా అన్ని డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ బాగున్నాయి, మ్యూజిక్ బాగుంది, స్టోరీ బాగుంది, వాళ్ళ యాక్షన్ బాగుంది. నాకు ఐఎమ్ ఓవర్వెల్మ్డ్ విత్ ద రెస్పాన్సెస్. అంటే ఒక కష్టపడి చేసినందుకు ఆ రిజల్ట్ వీఆర్ ఎంజాయింగ్. నిజంగా చెప్తాను అంటే బ్యాక్ ఇన్ మై మైండ్ నాకు ఎప్పుడూ ఉంది డెఫినెట్లీ ఇది మంచిగా వస్తుంది, హిట్ అవుతుంది, బాగుంటుంది అని కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ నాకుంది. అండ్
that's what I wanted to hear.
And people started loving. That is the welcoming thing. I mean, I'm so happy and blessed, I would say.
Jayanti, I am really floored with this one line of yours, you know, that I knew it would be a success. I mean, okay, taali to bajni chahiye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I mean, a woman who is talented and is confident about it, God, nothing can beat you. No wonder Sandy is what she is. From what we saw, right? Me talent ippardaka chudaledu kabatti this is the first time, right? But Sandy, that's what it is. She's beautiful, she knows it. She's talented, she knows it. All right?
I have seen that.
That confidence when it oozes from you,
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
that takes you to another level. And Alanti Ammai Pakkana, Sabe made himself stand strong and tall, which was another fabulous thing. And you know,
compliment ఏమనిపిస్తుంది తెలుసా ఎప్పుడు ఎందుకో నా గురించి కంటే నాకు ఎందుకో రాహుల్ కంటే ఎక్కువ అనిపిస్తుంది ఎందుకు అంటే I've seen his shades in live అన్నమాట యాక్చువల్లీ చెప్పాలి అంటే he has performed top notch in the pre-production ఇప్పుడే కనుక అప్రిసియేషన్ వస్తుంది అంటే చైర్లు పడేసి టేబుల్ పర్ఫార్మ్ చేసిన pre-production లో one day before his actual shot, the main scene, he and Tanike వచ్చింది idea and they both discussed and they thought, okay, maybe anta cheyadle because COVID time lo restaurants avanni open undadledu kada, so perform cheyali, so I don't think you should overdo this ani they just underplayed it, they just settled a little bit. Naku because I've seen him perform in live and aggressive ga నేనైతే అందరు కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఇస్తుంటే ఇదేం చేశారు సో అందుకే
really
happy for you.
You know what? I think you're very right. Bang on. What he did was not something natural, kada. Antarichi golapetti play table kottado ichado achado. That's not naturally what comes to you, kada. So Karthik, neek kuda Jayanti, I mean Radha gave you good what do you call understanding of the character.
Exactly. Yeah, a character personality traits gurinchi explain చేస్తే అది మనం ఓన్ గా ఇంటర్ప్రిట్ చేసుకుని ఓకే ఇలా ఉంటే బాగుంటది అది కూడా చాలా యాక్టర్స్ వాచ్ చేసి హోంవర్క్ చేసి ఓకే ఇలా ఈ క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఇలాంటి షేడ్స్ ప్లే చేసే డిఫరెంట్ సినిమాల్లో why don't you watch them, get an understanding of like how you should live in that character. So yeah, నేను వెళ్ళి సినిమాలు చూసి కొంచెం స్టడీ చేసి ఇలా ఉంటే బాగుంటుంది ఇలా ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్ లో ఇలా కొంచెం ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ తో బాగుంటుంది అని యా అంతే మీరు ఎదుగుండా కూర్చొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవడం.
Wow, I think so. Director ki chala credits unnai. I even basic things like casting.
Yeah,
nobody is seriously talking about it, but that is a huge talent in itself. It is an industry in itself, right? Casting. There are people who do only that because they know who can be who, right? She picked all the right people.
Yeah, there's been many movies where the director is like insanely good, but if they don't choose the right people,
there's so many things that yeah. So Radhika did a fantastic job, I thought, with acting.
I have to say about it.
Sorry?
I know she's speechless at the moment, but I mean it's not easy wearing the director's hat, Vani. You will get ante nuvu handling so many people, although everybody was so friendly and all that, getting the best out of them. Unna time inte unindi 5 days unnai ma shoot ki 5 days lo shoot finish chesam. That's a fact actually. It's one of the unbelievable facts of Maya. Yes,
this is most important trivia, girl. You did all the shoot in 5 days?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we were all ante ma koncham tanu story boards short divisions anni cheskunna chutaniki anni baane untayi. Okay, 5 days lo ayipotadi, schedule correct gaane undi ani anpistundi. But being in her shoes, wearing that hat, it's very difficult to organize it. Because cinematographer ni handle cheyali, making sure he has been you have to accommodate him, accommodate the actors, make sure his scenes are there, how's he lining up everything, making sure the next shot is ready, local weather baundali, outdoor aithe ledante chaala untayi. I mean it's a lot for her to handle. I mean
Radhika,
you was just cooperate until so her job will be easier for us.
Radhika Krishna, what can I say?
5 days about mental Baba.
Yeah, that's another thing. అంతైనా సరే కూల్ గా ఉండి టెంపర్ కాకుండా ఈ సీన్ తర్వాత లెట్స్ టేక్ ఫోటోస్ అంటే క్యాజువల్ గా ఉన్నాం అందరూ. If that much is going on, it's easy to get carried away, get stressed out, and then also take out that stress on the crew and cast, right? But to be able to stay composed through the whole thing, that's...
నాకేంటంటే బీటీఎస్ షార్ట్స్ ఇవన్నీ కావాలి అని బ్యాక్ మైండ్, కానీ మా చిన్న టీం అండ్ దట్ ఈ కోవిడ్ వల్ల ఏంటంటే ఐ హ్యాడ్ టు రిక్వెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అనమాట, తీయండి ఇది అంటే బ్యాక్ ఇన్ మైండ్ కూడా ఉండేది. పాపం వీళ్ళందరూ చేసిన కష్టం అంతా వాళ్ళు చూపించారు కదా తర్వాత అందరూ ఏం చేశారు అనేది. సో ఓకే పిక్చర్స్ కానీ ఇది కానీ నాకు ఎప్పుడూ ఉంటుంది.
బేసికలీ మేకింగ్ మెమరీస్.
I thought, okay.
She never forgets to make capture a memory so we can cherish it. ఇప్పుడు అన్ని చూసి అనుకుంటామేమో, oh my god, it's such a great time, can you believe it's been a year అని.
Wow.
ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఎవ్రీ స్మాల్ థింగ్ కూడా నాకు ఆ మెమరీస్ ఉంచడం కానీ ఆ చెరిష్ చేసుకోవడం చాలా ఇష్టం అన్నమాట. మేబీ ఇందులో కూడా ఇలా వర్కౌట్ అయింది.
Radhika, ఇది సీరియస్ గా you are a director to be reckoned with in the industry, because there are too many qualities that you are combined with in terms of directing and casting, and I don't know, I'm actually speechless. Chala rare ga avutuntundi naku endukante continuous ga maatlastam kani I'm like really speechless. Is your camera on?
Ours is on. Yours is
but yours is so.
And for me, yours was stuck.
Because we're not moving much. That's probably why.
నాకు ఈ ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ కి నేను కూర్చోలేను అని నాకు ముందే తెలుసు. అందుకే అక్కడ నేను అన్ని ఫోటో కూడా పంపించాను కదా, వేర్ ఐ వాస్ సిట్టింగ్ అండ్ డూయింగ్ ఆల్ దిస్. ఐ హ్యాడ్ మై, కానీ నేను అలా కూర్చుని కదలకుండా ఐ థాట్ నో, ఐ వోంట్ బి ఏబుల్ టు డు ఇట్, లెట్ మీ జస్ట్ గెట్ అప్ అని కెమెరా పట్టుకొని I wanted to really enjoy myself doing what I doing. So before we close, can you actually hear me? I can't.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes. Yeah.
You guys are frozen.
I think
we're moving.
Okay.
I think
Okay. So, final words. Anything that you are looking out for? Sandy, do you want to pursue this as a serious career now, acting?
It's very tricky question, but want to pursue kante kuda I've been getting some good I've been seeing some good scripts and all of that. So yeah, naaku manasuku nachindi, whatever is close to my heart, I've been saying yes to it. I've been grabbing the opportunities. I've already done a couple shoots and more on the way, but I wouldn't say that I want to take this further, and I don't know yet because I'm still experimenting, I'm still learning, I'm still this and each and every story is different, each and every environment is different. Like when I work with them, it's a different team, that's a different kind of fun.
Correct.
It's different kind of fun. So I'm still learning. I don't see myself as an actor.
But what does your heart say? What does your heart say?
If you like it, go get it, enjoy. And I've been following my heart so far. But I don't
absolutely
know or not. But I'm there, I'm enjoying it for now.
I'm asking her to, okay, don't stop it. I'm asking her for sure.
Exactly. I don't think she will stop it. I don't ever think she would.
I mean,
but I just
I just wanted to stop. People doesn't give her a chance to stop because the opportunities will be coming for her.
Oh, you guys.
Kadu, ఎందుకంటే this has got something to do with your heart, right? Like I think at the same time that you guys were shooting here in US, I was shooting my first film in India, right? So I know that very first shot I gave, I just fell in love, and I just knew at that minute right there, this is what I want to do. I never knew it before. I've always been on the stage dancing, singing, doing plays, MCing. I've done all that. Kani nak eppudu kuda this is me and anpichileda. I did radio, I did TV, I did everything. I never felt this is me. But when I did my first shot in that film, I was like, this is me. I want to do it, okay? Nothing else. I've quit my job. I want to be able to act. And and meeting another director right in front of me. And, I might confiscate her if he doesn't give me a role. But it was an absolute pleasure, guys. So I have to ask you this question too. Oh my God, I was about to say Madhu. You look so much like your dad. What can I say? I'm sorry. So,
don't apologize.
You tell me. Yeah. So anyway, you tell me. Do you see yourself as an actor and wanting to do more films?
Yes, 100%, 150% for sure.
Confidence.
Yeah, because I didn't know how much I wanted to pursue it seriously until I did the first one, and other people were telling me, "Hey,
exactly,
you're doing a good job." And it's hard to see yourself becoming something unless other people have like kind of pitched it into you a little bit, saying, "Oh, you have the potential. Pursue cheyi. Chala baga chesavu kabatti pursue cheyali." Anna avutalo cheppinappudu man chala confidence vastadi kabatti. Yeah, I'm probably going to do some kind of film school in the next 2 years. It might take.
Awesome. Can you oka మాట చెప్పనా నీకు? అభి, ఇంకొక వాళ్ళు చెప్తే మనకి కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ వస్తుంది, ఇంకొక వాళ్ళు బాగలేదు అంటే వెళ్ళిపోతుంది అంటే మనకి కంట్రోల్ ఉండదు. So I would personally like to say that you should decide. ఎవరి మీద కాదు, ఎవరో బాగోలేదని చెప్పారని నువ్వు మానకూడదు, ఎవరో బాగుంది అని చెప్పారని చేయకూడదు. నువ్వు ఎప్పుడు చేయాలి అంటే నీకు తెలుసు, యూ కెన్ డూ ఇట్, ఐ ఎమ్ గుడ్ అండ్ ఐ విల్ డూ ఇట్ అని నువ్వు డిసైడ్ చేసుకుంటే you will actually shine your potential, because you have the potential. Sure. Right? So I want to wish you all the very, very, very best, buddy. I want to see you really rocking, right? And what can I say? Sandiki already, I've already titled her like pin chesesana the heroine and cheppi naku forever, right? She's always been a heroine, and I think you should also make up your mind in the time iskodu. You know that this is your space. You really, really belong. Kanipistunnao, right? Our confidence to kanipistunnao. Just like how you thought that you belong to the stage, I think you belong to the screen, right? So just go and get it and make it, as big as you can, right? So all the very, very, very best to you. And Radhika, I am in awe. Lot of respect for somebody, who has a very cool demeanor, but a super hot ambition and talent, So I am positive that you are going to be doing a lot of stuff, and I want you to be able to do everything you ever wanted, and we will see you out there, in the big screens everywhere.
Thank you so much for having us in the show. Thanks to Mana TV, TV5, and Bani, you are a rock star. Asalu ippadi varaku memu chaala interviews chesam. This is one of our best interviews endukante we truly had so much fun. Thanks for bringing our memories back, and it's a lot of fun being with you on the same platform and having a conversation and all of that. You are a rock star. Thank you so much for having us in the show. Truly enjoyed it.
Thank you. Thanks to all of you. And Radhika, you were not feeling too well today and you still made it because of my request. I am thrilled, all right? So wishing all of you a fabulous, fabulous future and many more rendezvous like this together again with new achievements.
Hopefully next time in person.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I think we'll do that.
One last thing, I would like to thank my entire team because because all my team is not here, so I would like to thank my entire team. My son Karthi Jayandi, Preetu Kolla, who is a VFX, and Praneeth gave the best music. And Rohini, she has done an amazing job, and one of the producer, Dustin, and I mean, whatever the visuals you're enjoying that is what
I agree 100% with you. I wanted everybody, but I did not want to dilute it by, having so many people together, because everybody should get their due. Everybody should get their due. And I definitely want to have another episode with the rest of your team so that I can bring it all out from them as well. I so look forward to it.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay. So
thank you so much.
Bye-bye. All the best.
Please watch, by the way, please watch. It's on Amazon Prime, USA and UK. It's on MX Player India. Lightel Extreme. VI Movies. It's there all over. Please do watch and support us. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thanks for the love so far.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome. Love you guys.
Bye.
Maya.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Thank you.
Bye.